Hello everyone. Who is ready for some delicious almond sugar cookies? I know I am, so let's get started. We're combining our dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour, coconut flour, almond meal, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We're also adding a dash of cinnamon, and in a separate bowl, we're whipping our butter. I'm actually using vegan butter for this recipe, and we're adding our organic cane sugar. Once the sugar and butter are whipped together, we're going to add our dry ingredients, and then we're going to add some vanilla extract. Now it's time to add some extra cold water, which is going to bring the dough together, and be careful not to overmix. And then we use an ice cream scooper to help form the individual cookies, and a fork to give those cookies a nice shape. Bake those cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then these delicious cookies are ready to eat. So try this recipe out, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching Cooking and Opera.